Hello friends and welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how you can download PyCharm on Windows 10. PyCharm is a popular IDE for Python programmers nowadays. So let's get started in Chrome. Here we will type PyCharm. And as you guys can see, the first link here is jetbrains.com. It is a website from where we can download PyCharm. So we will click this link and it will bring us to their home page. As you guys can see, it is a beautiful home page with PyCharm and its logo here. We will click the download button and you guys can see there are the three platforms: Windows, Mac and Linux. As I am using Windows, so I will select Windows. Here is the professional edition of PyCharm, which is the paid variant, so I will not download it. Here is the community edition, which is free, as you guys can see, so I will download this. The download has started and it will take a while, but I'm gonna speed up for you guys. As you guys can see, the download has been completed, and when I open downloads, it should appear here. And when I am gonna run it, it will ask me for destination folder, which I will keep it same. And create desktop shortcut, I will check this box. Update path, restart needed. Okay, let's check this also. Update context menu. Okay, let's check it also. Create associations .py files. Okay, let's start our install now. It will take a while also. Let's speed up. As you guys can see, PyCharm has been installed successfully and shortcut has been created. When I'm gonna run it, a beautiful screen will appear. Like this one, yes. And after some time, when the loading will be completed, your PyCharm should be launched. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.